What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Like always, I am your favorite Liberian boy. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how I shoot and edit my videos. But before we get into that, I would like to tell you the type of equipments I use and the settings of those equipments. Now, to shoot my videos, I use a Canon 90D. It's a DSLR camera, not a mirrorless camera. It's a very old camera, but it has been very efficient and it does the work properly. Do you understand? And as far as drone goes, I use a DJI Mini. Is it 3 Pro? Yeah, I use a DJI Mini 3 Pro, to shoot my drone footage. And as for resolution, I shoot 1080p because it's social media content. 4K files are very big and, I'm uploading on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So I need to be uploading quick and uploading consistently. So I just prefer 1080p. It's easier to upload. The upload speed is, faster than 4K footages. Now, when it comes to my primary camera, which is my Canon 90D, I shoot 1080p, like I said, and then I use autofocus a lot. I use auto white balance and I use the neutral color profile. And then I can just touch it up a little bit. It makes color grading easy and quicker. Then I don't have to put a Rec 709 on top of it or anything like that. I just color grade and export. My secondary camera though is my iPhone. I mainly use it because of the wide angle lens it has on it. It helps me get into tight spaces and record the same resolution 1080p video. So as far as frame rates go, I record everything 60 frames per second, just in case I need to slow down some things in post. And I know some people will be like, why will you record everything in 60 frames per second? I like the motion. I like the fact that I can manipulate my footage anytime I feel like, and anyhow, I can even downgrade it if I want to 24 or 30, you understand? So I like to have control of my footage. Now, the next thing I would like to talk about is how I shoot my videos. Let's give an example, or let's give a scenario. Let's say your name is Paul, and Paul, you as a businessman or an entrepreneur invites me to your establishment. Let's call your establishment Paul Bar and Casino. You invite me, Paul, to your bar and casino. When I go to your establishment, the first thing I would like to know is the services you offer, because these are the things I will be highlighting in the video. After that, the next thing is I take my camera and I look for where I'm going to need light and where I don't need light, just trying to see what shot I can put in place to make the video look great. The next thing I will do is I will tell you that this video is going to be shot in 3 days. First day I come to your establishment, write down all the services you provide your customer. The second day I come to your establishment, I'm only doing B-roll. You may ask the question, what is B-roll? B-roll is basically the shots that come in every time a person is trying to explain something in order for you to know what he or she is talking about. So the second day I shoot B-rolls, only B-rolls. Now the third day, which is the last day, I shoot my A-rolls. My A-roll is basically what you're seeing right now, me talking. Do you understand? It could be me talking, walking around, showing you places. That's my A-roll. Now I could still shoot the A-roll and add B-rolls on top of it. That's when I'm editing. So let's go over what we talked about. The first day I jot down all the services you provide as a business. Second day I shoot my B-rolls, which is the shots that better explains the services that you provide as a business. And then third, I do my A-roll, which is my talking head, which of course is what I'm doing right now. So 3 days, that's how I shoot the video. Now let's talk about editing the video. What softwares do I use to edit my video? I love using Final Cut Pro, but presently, as of now, I have a Windows PC, so I am stuck with Adobe Premiere Pro. Until I can get a MacBook Pro again, then I'll switch back to Final Cut Pro. I love Final Cut Pro. It's easier to work in Final Cut Pro, and the export speed is faster than Adobe Premiere Pro. Do you understand? But as of now, I use Adobe Premiere Pro, to shoot. Even this video is going to be edited on Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I use as far as editing my videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please click on my profile and follow me on Facebook, because we're trying to grow a community and I would love for you guys to be a part of it. The next thing I would like to talk about is I have a GoFundMe. It's going to be in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's going to be below. If you're watching this on Facebook, it's going to be above in the caption. The GoFundMe is all about buying new camera gears in order for me to shoot more high quality content for you guys. Do you understand? So if you like my work and you want to support me, go in the description or the caption, either place Facebook or YouTube, click the GoFundMe link, donate anything you can, and let's push the channel. So like always, I'm your favorite Liberian boy, Fizzle. Until next time, peace.